Hello everyone, this is Sir Tawheed, and in this video I'm going to explain you voices. Most of the time students and people get confused when it is asked that what are voices. They don't have the clear answer. So today we are going to just understand these things. Voices refers to the arrangements of words according to the requirement. It means only the arrangement. If we use subject in the first place and object at the end, or if we disturb the arrangement and we use object in the first place and then we use at the end the subject. So these are the two different arrangements and they create different voices. Sometimes we give more importance to the doer. Doer means the one who is doing something, and the other times we give more important stress on the action, means whatever is being done. When we are speaking one-on-one to someone, we usually raise the level of our voice on the important word of the sentence, like he ate the cake. He ate the cake. Here I stressed on the word he, who is the doer. It means that I'm pretty much focusing on the person who did something or who performed the action. And the same thing can be said like this: he ate the cake. He ate the cake. In this dialogue, I raise the volume or raise the voice at the word cake, which means I am stressing on the object, means what is done. The cake is eaten is more important in this sentence. Means it is not important who did it, but it is more important what is done, what action has been done. And the action is the cake was eaten. So when we are speaking, we can raise the level of our voice at particular words, which is more important in the sentence or in the dialogue. But if we are writing something, we cannot use this technique to raise the voice. Then there comes the voices. There are two types of voices. Number one is called active voice, and number two is called passive voice. As the name suggests, active voice is the sentence in which the doer is more important, the one who is performing the action is given more importance. So that is why it will come in the first place. So the doer will come first and the other things will come in the later. If we talk about passive voice, as the name suggests, it is the voice in which the one who is not doing anything, the one who is receiving the action will come first. Means the object will come in the first place and the other things will come in the later. So this is the difference in between active and passive voice. Again, when we emphasize on the doer, that is called the active voice, and when we stress on the action, that is called passive voice. Now we are going to have a look on the arrangement of these both. In active voice, we first use the subject, as I already told you, and then we use verb and then object. So whatever be the tense, maybe you are using present indefinite tense or any other past or future tense, then you have to follow that arrangement only. This sentence will give more focus on the subject, on the doer, who did this thing. But if we talk about the arrangement of passive voice, we use object in the first place, then we use an additional be form, then verb, and then the subject, means the performer or the doer of the thing. The same arrangement can be written like this: Here S plus B form plus V plus O, the doer. Remember, it does not matter that what have you written in the formula. But remember, the one who is performing the action will come in the first place, and the one who is doing the action will come at the end in passive voice. There are two different ways of writing the same arrangement, but for me the first one is better, where O is in the beginning, then we use B form, and then we use verb, and the last is the subject, means the doer of the action. Let's see an example. He ate the cake. In this sentence, he came the first place, which means he, the one who is performing the action, is more important. So we are focusing on he here. It means it is not very much concerned about what he did, but who did is more important. And if we see the next example, the same thing is said in different style. The cake was eaten by him. Here, as you can see, the cake has come in the first place, which did not perform anything. It received the action. So, if this thing come in the first place and the performer came at the end, this will create a passive voice, which means I am more focused on the thing which is done rather than who did it. So I hope you understand the whole lecture of today. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment below. I will be there to help you out. And don't forget to like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much to all of you to watch this video.